Hi everyone, this is yours truly, Lady Emmanuel. I got timed out, so I had to restart it to continue this on. Okay, we was at use the graph organizer above to represent the expression x minus 2 times x minus 3, the two binomials. We're multiplying it, and we were to label each inner rectangle and find the sum. Okay, which we've done it here in the first video. So here what I did, what I start to do at the end of the other video, it was writing here leading term, because this is our leading term when it's in standard form. Then this is our last term. I didn't write constant because what if it was another variable there? So it wouldn't necessarily be a constant. I said last term. So the leading term and the last term if it's written in standard form. And this would be the middle terms, okay, regardless. Now you do realize that on the other video that when you really just adding these two, and that's where the negative 5x, it comes from that middle term there, okay? So do you have to really write it out like that? No, you really don't, okay? So just keep that in mind. Okay, number 17 says, multiply the binomials in item 16 using distributive property. What do you notice? Look, guys, I got ahead. I got too excited. Because I saw that and I love math. So I've already done. It's to multiply the binomials in item 16, which is this. It's x minus 2. It's this x minus 2 times x minus 3. This x minus 2 times x minus 3. I did that already. Oh, but they want us to use distributive property. My bad. And I'm telling you, so let's do distributive property. I'm sorry, guys. So let me rewrite it. Yes, I'm getting excited. You know what? Let me write on notebook paper. This is fun. So I have here x minus 2 times x minus 3. And the instruction, look, the instruction told me to using the distributive property, okay? And you probably said, what is the distributive property? The distributive property is when you have a times b plus c in parentheses, and whatever is outside the parentheses, you distribute it, okay? Meaning it's a times b, bring down the operation, the plus, then I do a times c, okay? That's the distributive property. So now let's apply that. And you're like, well, it's a binomial times a binomial, not a monomial times a binomial. It's okay. We'll make it into 2, okay? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this x, and remember, I'm supposed to distribute it. I'm going to distribute it to each term, so I'm going to rewrite it. I'm going to say x times x minus 3, okay? That's one of them, okay? Then I'm going to say negative 2 times x minus 3, okay? And I'm going to apply the distributive property. So I'm going to take this x here, and I'm going to say x times x. Then I'm going to go ahead. This is positive, so I'm just going to bring the subtraction sign down. And I'm going to say x times the 3. Okay. Then I'm going to apply the distributive property here just as well. I'm going to say negative 2 times x, negative 2 times x, then negative 2 times negative 3. So I had negative 2 times negative 3. Okay? So here, x times x, the base is the same, and it's multiplication, so I add the exponent. That's a 1, that's a 1. Therefore, I got x, 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's x squared. Okay? Then I have x times 3. Oh, just put, and that's a negative, bring that here because that's positive. So a negative times a positive is a negative, meaning a subtraction sign. And I'm just write 3x. That's all I can do there. A negative times a positive again is a negative, a subtraction sign. 2 times x is just 2x. 2 times x. Negative times negative is a positive. 2 times 3 is 6. Here is my middle terms. These are like terms. Both of them have x to the first as their variable. X to the first, they are like terms. X squared, just bring it down. Negative 3 minus 2 is negative 5. I have to bring the x with it. It's like saying negative 3 apple, negative 2 apple. I know it doesn't make sense, but you know. Or, you know, yeah. So, and then bring down, because I'm saying apples, how can you have a negative apple? Anyway, I'm just trying to give you as a visual, at least. Bring down my constant plus 6. The question said, well, it told you it's a multiply the binomial in item 16 using the distributive property. Then the question said, what do you notice? What do you notice about this product when I multiply the two binomials using the distributive property and the product when I use the graphic organize? What do you notice? Look and look. Look at here and look at here. Wow. Interesting. What do you notice? Think about it. Now share it with someone. Awesome. Good academic conversation. Keep it up. Peace out. Yours truly, Lady, the lovely Lady Emmanuel. Okay. On this lovely Friday. Peace out. I hope you enjoyed that. I will make some more videos on it. Have a great afternoon. Bye, guys.